Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. If you have seen my channel before, you might remember this Victa PowerPlus, which we picked up off the side of the road on a nature reserve, and I just love this mower. I haven't even really cleaned it up. I put a carburetor kit through it in the past, but this hasn't run for 6 months. Now my hand's on the exhaust muffler, but furthermore, my brother-in-law told me only 2-3 months ago, he was up here at this shack, he told me this mower wouldn't start. Well, it didn't have any fuel in the tank when I looked at it. So I put some fresh fuel on it, clearly not burning my hand. It's absolutely stone cold. Hasn't run for 6 months. Question is, will it start or will it not? Well, let's turn the fuel on. Come around, come to the primer bulb. I'm gonna give it 3 primes. Gonna come to the starter, gonna come down, back up, and to the run position. We'll give it a pull. There we go, folks. What an absolute beauty. First pull, folks. Let's cut the grass. So there you go, folks. What an absolute beauty. The Victa PowerPlus, first start in 6 months. She started first pull and it absolutely cut the grass just flawlessly, pushing through that thicker grass with no issues at all. So if you have liked the video, give us a like, drop us a comment down below. Truly appreciated, and do consider subscribing to the channel if you're interested in DIY content on repairing mowers, on vehicles. On the channel we've also got the Mercedes, the Audi A3, Mazda 3, early Ford Falcon, which we do DIY maintenance and repairs on. So if you're interested in any of that content, do subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.